What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the wireless remote with your battery strip 24. So the other way we can control our light is with the wireless remote. Now because the remote uses IR technology to control the light, you'll want to be sure that the light is in a line of sight distance, and you'll also want to be sure to point your remote directly at the light so that it changes. Now if your light isn't reacting to your remote, you may need to go into the master slave mode and switch your light to the master mode so that the remote can work with the light. So if we take a look at the controller, you'll see we have a on and off switch, and this will just turn on or off the bulbs of the light, but it won't turn the light off altogether. You're going to want to use the on and off switch to do that. We also got the up and down buttons to switch the settings of the different modes available on your light. For example, we can use the remote to set our light to the auto mode, and then we can use the up and down buttons to set the speed for the mode. So if I use the down button, you'll see that the mode starts to slow down, and if I use the up button, you'll see that it speeds up. With the remote, we can also set the light to fade mode and use the up and down buttons to set the speed of the fade. We can also set our light to the strobe mode. We can use the sound mode to set our light to the different sound modes available, and use the up and down buttons to set the sensitivity of the built-in mic. We also got the color mode to set our light to any of the colors available and use the up and down buttons to cycle between each color. We can use the master slave buttons to set our lights either to a master mode or one of the slave modes. We can also set our light to the base colors of red, green, blue, white, amber, or ultraviolet. And then we have the additional colors like orange, cyan, or pink. We also got the full and shut buttons here, and then we can also set our lights to a specific DMX address or DMX channel and use the up and down buttons to toggle between the different DMX addresses or DMX channel modes. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the wireless remote with your battery strip 24 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.